Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use a Tabby for flight bookings. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is choose a travel platform that accepts Tabby. So several travel agencies and platforms partner with Tabby to offer flexible payment options. So some of the notable ones is Alternative Airlines, Travel Wings, Akbar Travels, Flyness, Fly Fairly, and many other sites. Now from here we need to search and select your flight. So I'm just going to do a search and select my flight and then proceed to the checkout. Okay, so once you've selected your flight, you're going to proceed to checkout. This is where you can pay via Tabby. So if we look at the checkout page, scroll down, it's going to show you your flight details, contact details, etc. Then under payment selections, we can go ahead and pay with Tabby. So go ahead and select that option. Now, if you don't have a Tabby account, you'll be prompted to create one. So if I click onto that, click continue to payment. So now we're over at the checkout section and we've chosen Tabby. It will say continue to Tabby here. So yeah, you'll be prompted to create a new Tabby account, or you can log into your existing Tabby account. Then from there, you want to choose your payment plan. So Tabby typically offers this option to split your payments into 4 equal interest-free installments over 3 months. Then simply review the payment schedule and confirm your selection. Then from here, once payment is approved, go ahead and confirm your booking. You will receive an e-ticket immediately after the first installment is processed. And now this is some eligibility criteria for using Tabby. So you must be a resident of UAE, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain and Kuwait, be at least 18 years of age, have a valid government issued ID, and also provide a few personal details for verification. And also note that approval is at Tabby's discretion, so not all users may be eligible, so keep that in mind as well.